everything. Oh, one more thing. Toilet paper. Never go camping without toilet paper. We are well on our way to our seaside adventure, but we decided to make one more stop, and we will buy a wok, because wok is the best dish to cook on open fire.
This wok you have to burn before you start using.
Yes,
And
we
you
know.
have to burn properly, otherwise the food will stick.
Well, we are finally here, and we found a beautiful spot between olive trees, and this is going to be our home for the next 4 days. Lady in Chinese shop said that we have to season wok with oil before we use it for making food. You have to season the wok with oil and then burn the hell out of it. We repeated the process 3 times, so the wok got non-stickable coating. We actually used wok for the first time next morning. We will show that in next vlog. But for now, we are going to prepare delicious dinner, some barbecue meat. Dinner is excellent. Well, that was a wonderful day. Thank you for watching our vlog. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.